In less than 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to adjust the clutch on almost every Japanese bike ever made, unless it's got a hydraulic clutch. So here we go. Any cable-operated clutch is going to operate the same way. It's going to have a perch at the lever, and it's going to have a perch down at the clutch itself. You'll have a 12mm nut on each side. This clutch has a little bit of play. Now that's the play I want to take out. I'm going to start by loosening the nut closest to the lever. Loosen that nut just enough that you can get it spun out of the way. You're going to pull that cable until you've removed the slack out of it. You'll tighten that nut down to where it's snug, and then tighten the other nut down. Snug them both up, and you're down at the clutch. Now it's time to go up to the lever. The cable comes back up, routes up into the lever. You're looking for this gap in this free play right here. So what I'm gonna do is back this off and close that gap on that free play until it's about 1/8 of an inch. Your clutch lever is now adjusted. Important tips to remember. With absolutely no play at the lever, you're actually putting tension on the cable. And what that does is it's actually slightly separating the clutch plates just enough to increase wear. And over time, you're just gonna have a clutch go out even faster. A clutch lever with too much play might not allow the clutch plates to separate quite enough. So when you do pop it into gear, you'll feel it tug and jerk, or you might notice that it's really tough to shift between gears. It really only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to adjust your clutch properly. And I wasn't exaggerating about the 12mm wrench. Let's go take a look. This 1973 Honda CL 350 Scrambler, 12mm. This is a 1983 Honda 650 Nighthawk. Guess what? 12mm. On a lot of Japanese cruisers, the clutch cable is going to route behind a cover. You will have to remove the cover, but I guarantee you, underneath it, adjust it, 12mm. On some bikes, it might be a little bit tougher to get down in there, but it does adjust the same. On this older R6, you do have to remove that lower fairing. So hey, thanks for checking out this quick video on clutch adjustment. I hope it helps you out, gets you down the road. Hit the subscribe button, yo. Peace out.